Okay, this is how you will copy and paste your data from the Google Sheets and put it into your submission for activity A1.1.2. So it's just a matter of just highlighting your data. Control C or edit and copy, either way. So let me do that again also because I don't think it's gonna take it. So I'm just gonna, or you can right click and copy. And then go back to your submission. So this is where you're going to insert it once you've calculated that your mean, your range, median, and your interquartile range. Sorry, I'm trying to find this here. So we're gonna go down here. This is where you want it to be. So we're gonna take that out and then Control V or right click and paste. If it comes up on a different page or it's too big, you can either enter so we can bring it together or resize it. This is a pretty good size, so it's fine there and I can read it. All right, so that's how you copy and paste it.